not a fool. No, you're not fooling anyone. Oh, but when you're gone, when you're gone, when you're gone, oh, baby, all the lights go out. Thinking of it, baby, I was wrong, I was wrong, I was wrong. Come back to me, baby, we can work this out. Oh, baby, come on, let me get to know you. Just another chance so that I can show that I won't let you down and run. No, I won't let you down and run. 'Cause I could be the one. I could be the one. I could be.
So, all in all, the change was not monumental. It's very, very slight and natural. I don't even know if I can call it a balayage, but I mean, I still have my natural color at the roots, and I tried to make it a little bit lighter at the ends. You have to be careful because the box dye that I used is ash blonde, and my hair just turned even more warm in tones and colors. Like, yes, it's lighter, but it's a warm light. So if you have any preferences about cold or warm, then don't do this. If you think you can pull both off, then go for it. Yeah, it's good with some change. I thought it was a lost cause, but I'm glad I just stuck to it and tried. Yeah. So, peace out.